Okay, good morning, everyone. I'm Sachit Dasanayaga. You can call me Sachit. I think you can hear me, right? Kona, can you hear me? Okay. Because normally I speak very low voice, so uh, talking louder is a little bit harder to me. Anyway, if you, in any case, if you can't hear me, just raise your hand, then I know what's going on. Okay. Uh, while I'm doing my lecture, if you have any question, you can raise your voice or raise your hand. That's fine. Okay, you can ask any question, no problem. Uh, I have a lot more thing to do because I have to cover online class at the same time I'm teaching here. So sometimes messages can be popped up. So just forget about it. Okay. Uh, okay. First, I'll start from the syllabus. I think, yeah, online, yeah, sharing. Um, okay, it's recording. Uh, okay, this is a face-to-face class or in-person class. Actually, this is how we plan. Actually, not we, our department, they plan. Since we have a limited number of students in a class, like here we have 41. Uh, we plan to do like students should come at least 1 day per week. Other 2 days, because we have 3 days, so other 2 days they can join via Zoom. Okay, because I'm streaming this session via Zoom. So other days you can uh, come to the class via Zoom. I mean, you can join via Zoom. Okay. So if you want to come all 3 days, that's fine. I think you, most of you have mentioned in that Google form, which I sent you a couple of weeks back. That's fine because after this week, I'll uh, I mean, uh, I'll try to re-evaluate those things. I mean, because sometimes students they have mentioned, okay, I need to come these days, but yesterday they just sent me an email. I cannot come this day. I need to change the day, something like that. So I have to go through that responses again, and I'll email you next week. Okay, this first week just need to adjust. Okay, so I'll try to do my best. I like you can come to this class and do this class like a normal one. Okay, like we did in the past. Anyway, we have class Monday, Wednesday, Friday from 9 to 9:50. Uh, when you come into the class, I think here we don't have. I'll call them and tell them to bring it. Like every class has disinfect wipes. So here I can't see those things. Yeah, I'll tell them, and next day I think it should be there. So you can wipe whatever you see to your desk. Okay. So I'll try to arrange that. Uh, as I mentioned, you can join via Zoom if you are not coming to this class. Okay. Uh, Since this is a hybrid class, that's the oh sorry, that's the type of this hybrid, which mean you can come to the class in person 1 day or 2 day or maybe all 3 day. Or if you are coming just 1 day, you can participate these lessons via Zoom. Okay. Uh, uh, okay. Uh, this is my email address. My office is math009. But I think in this situation, you can contact me like virtual office hours. I have office hours right after the class from 10 to 11. Okay, each Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. This is the link for office hours. Oh, sorry, I forgot the link to show you. This is the link which you need to use if you are joined via Zoom. Okay, I have clearly mentioned here this one. Okay, so don't mix my office hour and lecture Zoom links. Okay, this is only for Zoom for the lectures, and this is for office hours. If you have any problem, you can come to the office hours. I mean, virtual office hours for Zoom by just clicking this. Okay. Sometime there may be a queue because I can work with one student at a time. Okay, but I don't think it it's like just 1-2 minutes. Okay. Okay. So you can email me anytime. It doesn't matter whether it is a weekday or weekend. That's fine. Okay, I'll try to reply you as soon as possible. I have mentioned here it will take maximum 24 hours, but don't worry, I'll reply you as soon as possible within just minutes. Okay. Uh, Class capacity is 41. I can see that there are a lot of uh, spaces here, so I think we can add more students. Uh, so your textbook is from Indian Statistics for Engineering. This is your textbook. Um, okay. In this course you have to do 2 mid exams, one homework set. It includes each section. I mean there are 8, yeah, 8 homework sets uh, plus your final exam. Um, okay. Uh, Homework and your exams I have to assign via website. You can you can create your account by using this go to www.webassign.com. I mean this link, webassign.net, sorry, not com, .net, uh, and create your account. If you already have, you can use that. Once you create your account, I think in the account there is an ebook. Okay, and this is a hard copy. You can find your ebook. Okay, uh, I think they may have 2 weeks or 1 month. I'm not sure, but maybe 2 weeks free trial. I mean, you can get temporary access at least for 2 weeks. After that, you have to buy that. Uh, Normally, I use Blackboard to post your grades. I mean, after each exam, I post your grade, final exam as well. I'm not posting your homework grades after each homework. I normally like post. Sorry, meantime. Okay. Uh, First few lectures I'm going to record. Okay, so if anyone needs, you can ask me. I can send the link. So I think it works. Um, Textbook is not a requirement for me, but you know, but this WebAssign account is some kind of requirement because you have to do your mid exams plus your final, especially using WebAssign. Okay, once you create your website, then you will have that ebook, so you don't have to buy hard copy separate. Okay, clear? So you don't have to buy another book. It's in there in your account. You can use textbook. Okay. uh, what I was talking about, okay, Blackboard. Blackboard, I used to post the grade. After each exam, I post your scores in the Blackboard. But I'm not going to post your homework grades in the Blackboard. I'll do it at the end of this semester. Okay, collect everything and get put the sum. Okay, uh, that's how it works. Okay, let's go step by step. Otherwise, I will forget what I have to talk. I'm not going to talk about COVID-19 nowadays. First thing is you have to wear your mask if you are in the class. Okay, that's the only thing I'm considering. So please wear your mask while you are in the class. That's it. Okay. Um, so please read this syllabus. Okay, there are so many things in this syllabus rather than previous semesters because of the COVID. Okay. Uh, uh, like I mentioned, you can switch the classes face to face and Zoom. Okay, so do it as you wish. It doesn't matter. Okay, but only thing is, uh, I have to take the attendance. Like attendance, those attendance based on your seat numbers because I cannot see your faces. So I just take the attendance by using your seat numbers. So right after the last 10 minutes in this class, I'll send you a Google form link, okay, so that you can fill your name and your seat number. Clear? If you are coming to the class like 2-3 days, you have to fill separate, you have to send me separate forms, okay? Clear? Because you can select only one day in that Google form, okay? um, so try to sit the same place when you are coming next day, okay? So that because I'm just tracking you by using the seat numbers, okay? uh, if you are joining via Zoom, that's fine because Zoom automatically take the attendance, so I can get a list at the end of the class. That's fine, okay? uh, Attendance, I mean, it is not mandatory for me, but it's a requirement from the department. Students should participate either face to face or via Zoom. Clear? Um, all exams uh, you can do via your WebAssign account. So you have to create your WebAssign account. I think last email I have mentioned the key. You need a key. I think I sent the key. If you need, you can just email me or next email I mention that. Okay. So as soon as possible, please create your WebAssign account. Still, I haven't assigned any homeworks. I have 8 homeworks. Right after the class, I'll assign it. Okay. Normally, I assign all the homeworks uh, in the first day. Like I'll open all. There are 8 homework sets. I'll open all 8 homework sets today. Okay, so that you can start it anytime. But they may have different deadlines. Clear? Like 2 weeks for one or something like that. Okay, but don't worry, deadline that definitely after the right after I finish the lesson. Okay, so don't worry about that. But anytime you can start your homework. Okay. uh, if you have any question, I mean, meantime we are doing these lessons, doesn't matter, you can simply email me. Okay. Like uh, questions regarding to exams, I think I have a section, so let's move to that. So only requirement is wearing your face mask. That's it. Okay. So you have your freedom. You can use. I mean, if you want, you can use a laptop to take notes, iPad. That's fine. Okay. Um, yes, last night I uploaded all the notes into the Blackboard. You can see. I'll show that because I have a screenshot uh, in my Blackboard. So I'll show you a few minutes later. These are the important days. We have especially have like today first class day. Uh, we have 3 holidays. Okay. Last minute I got I think February 26th. It was not there last time, but I added it. These are class dates, so I think we have to eliminate these 3 days and do our work. These 3 days we don't have classes. February 26, March 19, and April 5th. We don't have classes. These exam dates are fixed. Okay. If you need, if you have any problem regarding to these days, like you have already planned something, or just talk to me. Okay. But in advance. Last minute, don't tell me I have these things. Okay. In advance, you can tell me anything. Doesn't matter. I'll try to assist you, like changing by giving a makeup, something like that. Okay. But please let me know. These are the dates. February 19th is going to be our mid exam one. Content for the mid exam one, I'll let you know just a week before this exam. Okay. Before, at least 1 week before, I'll give you a review for each exams. Okay. Including answer keys. Okay. But first you have to do that review by yourself, then check your answers with my answers. Okay. That's the best way to get this. Okay. Clear? Okay. A day before the exam, all these are Fridays. So February 19th, just before the Friday, that Wednesday, I'm doing the review in the class, because we have 1 hour. I can cover the review. Okay. Not every questions, but at least questions that I believe those are very important. Okay. Clear? Final exam is a mandatory exam. Okay. If you cannot do the final exam, it's going to be a problem, because I cannot assign a passing grade if you don't do the final exam. Okay. Final exam is a mandatory. So please keep that in your mind. And it's going to be May 7th. Normally for these exams, I would say, like, for the mid exams, I think the exam time will be like 1 hour, because we have 1 hour class. So exam time for the 2 mid exams, like 1 hour. But on February 19th, I will open the exam like 2 a.m. and I'll give you 24 hours to do the exam. Clear? So normally I open the exam like 12 a.m. on that day, and it will close at the end of the day, 11:59 p.m. Central Time. Okay, that's how it works. So you have 24 hours to start and do the exam. But once you start the exam, you will be having just 1 hour. Clear? For the exam, you have 1 hour, but I'll open that up to 24 hours. Clear? Okay. Final exam is different. We will talk about that later. Okay. So purpose of this course, it is cover this mathematical stuff, because stat and math is like a family. Okay. We cannot separate them. So these concepts, I'm not going to talk about each of them one by one, but what are the relations between data or data sets, something like that. So there are so many things we have to discuss, we have to learn. So let's go through them one by one. Okay. Yes, I recommend your calculator, because you need a calculator definitely, because we don't do it by hand. It's impossible. So this graphing calculator is it's the best one, but it doesn't matter for me. You can use whatever you want. Okay, you can use any calculators that you like. Okay. Okay. So prerequisite, that's fine. Okay, these are the section I'm going to cover. Optionals, I have mentioned within the brackets. Optional. If we have enough time, we can go through this optional. But mandatory stuff, definitely I'll touch them. Okay. We don't have chapter 5. Okay, 1 to 4, then 6 to 8. Sorry, 6 to not 8, 9. Okay, so we have 8 chapters. Altogether, we have 8 chapters. That's why you have 8 homework sets. For each chapter, you have a homework set. Clear? They like 10 to 15 questions, something like that, will take about 1 hour, 1.5, sometime last sections maybe maximum of 2 hours, something like that. Okay, not much, that just 1 or 2 hours. Because you need to practice these questions. That's the important thing. Some questions are very tricky, so you have to practice. Learning outcomes I have mentioned there, but I have numbered them and mentioned it clear, so please go through it. Uh, Especially why we use this statistics, the thing is, it's like a real world stuff we can use. We don't know, but we have already used statistics. Okay, simply flipping a coin, that mode we can convert that flipping a coin, that scenario, into a model. Simply we can use it, like later you will know probabilities, okay, the chance of happening, those things. So always, I would say always we use statistics like math. Okay, so you will learn those theorems, specific giant theorems like central limit theorem, those stuff, hypothesis test. We will go there step by step. I have mentioned too much about learning outcomes. Okay, please go through them. As I mentioned, okay, here, yes, two midterm exams, one one homework. Sorry, I mean homework plus final exam. Okay, that's the uh, assessment that you have to do. Altogether, you have 4: homework, 2 mid exams plus final exam. Okay. So this is the portions I have taken. I mean, I'm going to take for your final grade 20% from your homework, both mid exams 55% each. Sorry, 25% each. Sorry, and for the final it has a little bit more weight, 30%. Okay, which means, for an example, if you have, like, let's say for the mid exam you have 100 points, 100 out of 100, which means for the final grade I'll take 25%, which means 25. Okay, clear? Something like that. Most of the time uh, I give bonus questions for, I'm not sure about the final. Okay, I'm not going to talk about the final, but mid exams, yes, I'll give you bonus questions. Okay, so that you can uh, I mean, you can achieve more than 100, like 120, something like that. Okay, those are bonus. So we will see when we come to the mid exams. Okay, this is the traditional grading scale. So don't think too much about this grading scale. I have mentioned some kind of pop-up quiz, but I'm not sure whether we have enough time because we have 3 holidays and we are like packed. But anyway, don't worry about the bonus points, those stuff. Okay, that will happen. If you have any problem, like you cannot come to the class due to illness or some kind of problem, just email me. That's fine. Okay, but you have to be careful with exam days. Class days, that's fine. You can tell me, no problem. But exam days, please be careful with that. Okay, that's very important. I have mentioned whatever we need. So this is the link you need to use to create your WebAssign account. Homework, homework, mid exams, and final exams you have to do through this account. Okay, clear? Any questions? Let me check the chat box if we have. Oh, there are 6 chats. It doesn't matter which edition you use. I don't know that. That's it's not my consideration. Okay. Once you create the account, I saw that there is a e-textbook, so you can use it. That's fine. Okay. Edition doesn't matter for me, but the thing is you have to create the account. That's the only thing. So homework via website. This is the key. This one. This is the key. Once you are going to create the account, you will need this key. This is specific for this class. Okay. Yeah, I have just dragged the date to January 18. So after January 18, which means right now you can uh, register for the website account. Okay. I drag because I need to give you more like more days for temporary access. Okay. That's why I just drag it to January 18. Right now you can register without any problem. I'm not going to grade the homework. It will automatically do by this website. So at the end, I can get the homework scores. Okay. I get the average, and at the end of this semester, I'll post it on your blackboard. Okay. Makeups. Yes, I can give you makeup if you have valid excuse for mid exam, especially final exam. It's a different story. Okay. Everything goes like double in the final exam. So you need definitely you need a valid excuse for final exam if you miss it. Clear? For the mid exams, if you have problem, illness, whatever, just talk to me. Okay? Because I have control for the mid exams, but final it's like out of my control. Okay? So try to adjust for these exam dates, February 19th and 19th, and I don't remember the other days. So try to vacant those days. Clear? That's the best thing you can do. Okay, electronic device. Yes, you can use electronic device, but inside the class, please just silent your phone. That's fine. You can use your phones or tablet, whatever, to take notes. That's totally fine. Okay, that's the thing I need to talk about. I'm not going to talk about these guidelines, CDC guidelines. Just go through this and read those things. Okay. The main thing is if you need to contact or if you need to if you have a question, then please contact me via Zoom. Okay, via my office hours, or just email me. If you cannot come to my office hours, just email me. We can arrange another time. Okay, that's fine. Okay, let me check. I think I have another. Yes, homework. I think I have given like 10 or 15 times. You can do it like multiple trials, uh, 10 or 15 if I'm correct. 15 times you can do the same work. I mean, once you do and it's wrong, then you can try it again. Okay, like 15 times you can do it. Clear? Anyway, if you have any problem like after the 15 time you cannot do it, please let me know. I'll try to do some adjustments. Okay. Multiple attempts. Yes. Okay, I did it. So definitely more than 10. Yes, I think 10 or 15 attempts you have for your homework. Integrity. Okay, I'm going to, yeah, I'll, what is this? I'll skip this. Please go ahead and read it. I think, this is the classroom layout. So this red color mean you cannot sit. Green color ones are the available seats. So please check this. Numbers, I think you can see on your, yeah. They are not aligned with these numbers. Okay. That's fine. Just sit and sit. Okay, that's fine. Keep your distance. That's okay. Okay. Then please send me these. I think this is the correct room, right? Yeah, 107. Correct room, but I don't know. please send me your current number, seat number, okay? Not this one, the number what you have, okay? I'll send the link just after 5-10 minutes, okay? Then finally, I would like to show you the, sorry. Okay, this is the screenshot of my blackboard, okay? So your blackboard home page is not like this, but these are the stuff I have mentioned here. You, sorry. Here you can see my details or our class details, my email address, everything. Then you can see this. This is the Zoom link for lectures. Okay, so you can just click this link and join to classes. Okay, you don't need to copy and paste that link or whatever. You can click it. Okay. I have uploaded the syllabus here. You can go into this folder and check. And this is the class layout. Just check it if you want. Course materials. This includes all the notes. All the notes. Sometimes using these things little bit challenge, but we need to adjust according to the situation. Anyway, so it's notes. Last one is the office hours. I have mentioned office hours time, so you can just click it and join to the office hours if you have any question. Clear? So don't mix this office hour Zoom link and the class Zoom link. Okay. Okay, that's all I have to discuss, especially for the syllabus stuff. So if you have any questions, you can ask me. That's fine. Sorry, I didn't hear. Yes, you don't have classes on that exam day. Like on February 19th, you don't have class. Okay, because it is useless. I have class here. It's nothing. Okay, so you don't have classes on like these exam days. Clear? Don't worry, I'll send you reminders about these exams once we get there. Okay, so you don't have to worry about that. I'll send like 2 or 3 reminders just before the exams. Okay, only thing you have to just check the emails, check your emails. Okay, so any problem, any questions? I think online class, do they have? Yes, for the homework, not for the homework, but I mean, you have to buy this. I think, yes, you have to buy this after this temporary access, because each exams plus homework, not only the homework, exams, all exams plus homeworks we are doing through this WebAssign account. That's a course requirement, not my requirement. Okay. I would like, if you don't have these stuff, just do the exams like online, whatever. But it's it comes from department, so I have no control with that. Okay. I think after the temporary access, first go there and create your account. Definitely you will be having 2 weeks, maybe 3 weeks, I don't know. Definitely 2 weeks you will be having your temporary access. So start your work. Okay. But after that you have to buy it. I don't know about the price. I don't know anything about that. Okay, clear? If you have any problem regarding to WebAssign account, first yes, you can email me. That's fine. I will send that email to this representative. I think I have that contact, so you can try their help. I think in the website they have help link, so you can use that if you have any problem. But if you cannot solve it, just email me. I'll try to help you. Okay, I cannot do anything, but I can contact someone in the WebAssign. Okay, who works in the WebAssign, I can contact and ask the question. submit the answer through, no. Uh, yes, we have multiple choice questions for the exams. Like I'm not sure about the final, but definitely for the mid exams, you will be having multiple choice questions. I don't know how many, we'll talk about later. Uh, you cannot post it through the blackboard. Okay, definitely you have to do it through web assign. Okay, because I'm creating the exam by using WebAssign. So once I finished, I'll open the exam. Then you can log into your account and do the exam. That's how it works. Clear? Oh, sorry. No, those are multiple choice questions. Not like giving four questions and pick the right one. Sometimes you may have to do some. Yes, those are multiple choice questions, but sometimes you may have to do some work in there, like S equals this equation, then you have to plug the values, get the answer, something like that you have to do in that particular question. Okay, I'll give that space. Those are, yes, multiple choice questions, but uh, this is like a third year, fourth year class, so not like just easy multiple choice questions like giving four questions, four answers, just pick one. You have to do some work, yes. Okay, so don't worry about that. If you have any problem, like if you see, okay, I have done this correct, but it is wrong in the exam paper or exam, then you can contact me and ask what happened. Okay, that's totally fine. uh, I think after uh, I think 2 or 3 days after the exam, I can post the grade. Normally, I post the grade after 2 days, something like that. Okay, but I'll tell you what's going on when we are doing the exam. So as I mentioned, no, you don't have to upload anything. Just do the exam through the website. Okay. Most of the questions, they are multiple choice questions, which mean MCQ questions. But yes, you may have other questions as well. Not like paragraph stuff, just write a few lines. As I mentioned, S equal this. Then you have to plug the values, get the answer. Okay, something like that. Uh, Anything else? So we have time. Yes, I have to send the link. So I'll do it like last 10 minutes. Uh, 37, 40, 50, 10 minutes, yes. So I cannot uh, start the chapter 1 today. I I thought that I could start chapter 1, but I think we don't have time. Anyway, let me send you the Google form link. I'll send that link to everyone because I cannot send you guys only. So there are, yeah. I send it to you. Please check your emails. Only in-person students fill the form. Okay, don't fill online students. So they can fill once they come into the class, like next day or Monday. Then they can fill it. Okay, clear? Uh, so you guys can fill that. I'll give, yes, that's it. Okay, don't fill online students. Okay, uh, just check your number and fill it. Everyone, like if you are coming first day, not today, to next Friday, just fill your new seat number because sometime next day you cannot sit on the same place. Next day, I mean, if you are coming all 3 days or 2 days, next day you cannot sit, maybe. Okay, you cannot sit on the same place. Clear? Because first priority I have given to like students who are assigned only Monday, only Wednesday, only Friday. Clear? Then all students, all students who can come all days. Okay, but no problem. I think I checked last night. We have enough room, so no problem with that. Okay, but please be careful. Please be careful with that. Once next day when you come, your seat may not be available. So try to adjust accordingly and send me the new number. Okay, you don't have to do it every day. Only for this first week. I mean, this Wednesday to next Monday. Clear? So that's it. I'm not taking anything after that. Okay, because I need to something like to track you guys. Okay. Uh, okay. Do you have any question? Yes. Seat chart I have attached into the syllabus, but you have to come to the class and fill the seat charts. Okay. If you have any problem like I don't know illness or whatever, you can talk to me. And if you won't go to the fully online, then you can talk to me. Okay, clear? That option is available, no problem. But you know, it's up to you. If you have a good reason, then you can talk to me. I'll try to do those adjustments. Okay, no problem. Clear? If you need more days, like already you have filled only 2 days, but you need all 3 days, just email me. I'll try to, I'll actually check the responses and try to give you that space. Okay, clear? Any questions? Okay, then guys, I think that's all for today. If you have any questions, just email me or come to my office hours. I mean, via Zoom. Okay, that's totally fine. Okay, so see you next day. Thank you. Yes.
So I never got the link to the initial Google form.
Oh, that's fine. That's fine.
That's fine.
Yeah, that's fine. Did you send me an email?
No, I signed up. I got
please send. Yeah, I don't know which day you pick. That's fine. But please let me know. I mean, send me an email. Your name. Okay, your name don't need process there. Just send me the day, which day you pick, all 3 days or whatever. Then I can put you into the Google form. Okay.
So I have a question.
Yeah.
What is the best way to study well in this class? Because for me, statistics is like it's more difficult than
Yeah.
calculus.
You mean study mean in this class? You mean this content, these materials, right?
Yeah, this course. What is a good way to
Good way is to do the homework because most of the questions I'm focusing different questions, but each question types you can find in the homework sets, right? Not exactly, but you can see they are very similar things because that's the core, right? Once you do the homework and time to time I'll I update some some questions based on this chapter so that you can try those things and do that. That's it. Don't worry about too much. Just practice with this question. That's the only thing. But I believe just practice. Okay. If you any question, just email me. If you cannot solve that problem, just by emailing, I'll send you a Zoom. I'll create a Zoom link for you. Whatever, it doesn't matter time. You can pick the time. Then we can join the Zoom session and solve the problems. Okay. That's it.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. You're welcome. Yes, sir. Hi.
And I signed up for Monday, Wednesday, Friday.
Yeah. Did you fill the Google form?
Yeah, I filled out the Google
form. Then that's fine. Yeah, that's fine.
If I want to come in, if I can't come in on like a Monday, I want to stay Monday.
Okay.
Can I do that, or
yeah?
Do I have to come in every day?
That's fine. No, that's fine. If you want to, but please try to at least join by us.
I'll be
because I'm not going to post the videos. I'm actually recording, but I'm not going to post this